So I'm working on my design here in Photoshop. It's a nice simple document. I have a background layer just here. If I turn that off, you can see the layer above, woman in hat. It's just that, a woman in a hat, and she's being cut out and she's against the transparent background. So let's turn that background back on. So I'm thinking a stroke around the outside of her would look nice. So in a blank part of her layer, let's double click to bring up our layer style options. Let's come down to stroke. Let's turn that on. So we have a 15 pixel stroke. It's on the outside and it's white. Choosing OK. So that looks great. So now I'm thinking it would be nice if she faded away to nothing the further down the page we go. So let's do that with a mask. So with her layer selected, let's add a mask. And I'm going to press G to bring up my gradient. And I'm pressing D for my default colors, then X to get black as my foreground color. So I've now got a nice gradient going from black to transparent. Again, with my mask selected, let's just drag up using my shift key to get a nice square gradient. And what on earth is this? Well, poor Photoshop, it's doing its best here. What it's actually doing is it's applying the transparency of the mask and then it's applying the stroke. So of course, where we've got all these areas of semi-transparency just down here, Photoshop's not doing the best job. Well, it is, but again, it's trying to first mask that, then apply the stroke. So what we want to do is have Photoshop apply the stroke and then apply the mask after that. Now there's a nice little option we can set to have Photoshop do just that. So again, the layer just here, let's double click on that to bring up the same dialog box as before. Under blending options, what we're looking for is this little guy just here, layer mask hides effects. So let me zoom in on that to show you. There it is just there, layer mask hides effects. And if I turn that on, problem solved. So that's it guys. I hope that helps.